Ladies and gentlemen, the Nacho Supreme!
Nacho love, my nacho love, I cheese you, oh how I cheese you. But all you do is make me fat, break my chips and leave me glad. Tell me that I'm right, not wrong, to make you sing this nacho song.
So that is actually what goes on in my little head as I eat this. What? I always assumed that most people ate their nachos this way, so I'm always amazed when people tell me that this is their first time trying this, and I'm like, what? I've been eating this ever since I was a kid, but there are a few people who have never had this wonderful dish. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So I used a can of vegetarian chili, and of course it says you have to cook it, so I heated it up on the stovetop. Next, I used this salsa con queso, which is basically salsa with cheese, and I followed the directions on the back, which is to heat it up in the microwave. This is a 15-ounce jar, and I only used half of this. And if you want things a little spicy, you can use jalapeno slices. I only used 10 pieces, but when I actually built the Nacho Supreme, I only put it on half. And of course, you can't have nachos without your tortilla chips. And like most, I do a layering technique, a little layer of chips, chili, cheese. And of course, we're gonna add a second layer here. So we're gonna have chips and chili and cheese. And of course, you wanna make sure that every single chip has some of this Nacho Supreme goodness on it. And then you can top it off with jalapenos, or you can do a half and half like I did here. Half jalapenos, half without jalapenos. And of course, these are nachos because they're mine. But my parents always taught me how to share, so maybe I'll let you guys get a little bite, as you see here. Yeah, that pretty much does it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my crafting snack for the week.
Let's do some cooking and fixing up. Don't throw those crumbs away. On my plate, why don't you stay?
For more cooking videos or crafting videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell if you want to be notified of all of my new videos. And I thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you all have a very wonderful day.